In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your security settings in Google Chrome. Ensuring your privacy and security settings are tailored to fit your needs can greatly enhance your online browsing experience, providing peace of mind as you explore the web. Let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is open up the Google Chrome browser on your device. Once that's done, navigate to www.google.com because that's where you'll find the settings we need to adjust. This should be familiar territory for many of you, as it's the home base for most Google services. Now, if you take a look at the bottom right corner of the Google homepage, you'll notice a little gear icon. This is the Settings icon. It sort of looks like a cog, so it should be easy to spot. Go ahead and click on that. Doing this will bring up a menu, and within this menu, you'll need to select Search Settings. This will redirect you to a page where you can personalize your search experience, but our focus today is on security. Scroll down the page until you see a section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where you'll find various options related to how much information you share while searching on Google. Under this heading, you'll come across the section simply called Security. Here, you have 3 choices to pick from: Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection, and No Protection. Let me give you a brief rundown of each option so you can decide what's best for you. Enhanced Protection offers a more robust defense as it proactively checks for risks and warns you about potentially dangerous sites and downloads. It's a good choice if you're cautious about phishing and other online threats. Standard Protection, on the other hand, strikes a balance between security and speed, providing a decent amount of security without potentially slowing down your browsing too much. Lastly, there's No Protection, which essentially means you're browsing at your own risk without Google's security checks interfering. This option might be suitable for advanced users who have their own security measures in place, but is generally not recommended for most users. Once you've made your choice, it's important to know that your settings usually save automatically. This means after selecting the protection level you want, you should be good to go. However, always double-check for a Save button on the page just to be sure. Sometimes, changes aren't applied until you hit that button. Giving it a quick look over ensures your preferences are set correctly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to tweak your security settings in Google Chrome. By taking a few moments to make these adjustments, you're ensuring a safer and more personalized browsing experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this helps you navigate the web more confidently.